defendant, 1, intentionally or knowingly engaged in sexual intercourse or oral sexual contact with another person, and 2, engaged in the act without the consent of the other person, and 3, the defendant knew the act was without the consent of the other person. Oral sexual contact means oral contact with the penis, vulva, or anus. Sexual contact means any direct or indirect touching, fondling, or manipulating of any parts of the genitals, anus, or female breast by any part of the body or by any object, or causing a person to engage in such contact. Sexual intercourse means penetration into the penis, vulva, or anus by any part of the body or by any object, or masturbatory contact with the penis or vulva. Without consent includes any of the following. 1, the victim is coerced by the immediate use or threatened use of force against a person or property. 2, the victim is incapable of consent by reason of mental disorder, mental defect, drugs, alcohol, sleep, or any other similar impairment of cognition, and such condition is known or should have reasonably been known to the defendant. Mental defect means the victim is unable to comprehend the distinctively sexual nature of the conduct, or is incapable of understanding or exercising the right to refuse to engage in the conduct with another. 3, the victim is intentionally deceived as to the nature of the act. 4, the victim is intentionally deceived to erroneously believe that the person is the victim's spouse. Any notes you may have taken during the trial are not evidence. The only evidence that you are to consider in determining the facts is the testimony of witnesses and exhibits admitted into evidence. Your notes are merely an aid